Typography isn't just about fonts. It's about making your message visually unforgettable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, in this video I'll teach you how to use one of Canva's most powerful tools. Now let's head over to Canva where I'm going to show you how to bring your ideas to life. Okay, so once you're logged into your Canva account, go to Elements and type in. So I'm going to select a green pepper for my image. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to make it a little smaller, center it. I'm going to flip this horizontal. Okay. And so guys, the next thing you want to do is go to apps, type in type craft, select it, click on craft, open it. Okay, so under text, I'm going to type in pepper, and under font I'm going to go to Anton regular, click that, go back to font, click on the arrow and click on colors, select white in the corner. Okay, and then down below guys, under edit shape, this is my word. I'm going to use the white circles to drag it to how I want it, the image to be. And you just keep dragging until you find the shape that you want. So once you have the text to your desired shape, you click at the bottom, add element to design. Okay. And you might have to modify it some. And if you don't like it, you will come back over here and modify it some more. Once you like the shape that you think you might like, just go back and update the element. Then drag this. So guys, then what you're going to do is duplicate this page at the top, and then you're going to delete the pepper itself. Not the word pepper, but the pepper itself. And you would just only see a white canvas, but the white words is blended in with the white background, so that's why you see a white canvas. Okay guys, so next thing you want to do is go to elements, type in square. I'm going to click on it and drag it. I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, and you see that right there, that's our word pepper. Okay, so what we're going to do is drag it over the word pepper. Okay, just keep dragging. Okay, so now that it's completely over the word pepper, we're going to right click, select layer and send back. Okay, so now we see our word pepper showing through. Now you're going to go to download, and download. Only download on page 2. Okay, and hit download. Okay, open it up, drag it over here, and we see it downloading here. Okay guys, go back to uploads, and we see pepper right there. Go back to the first page and delete pepper, the word pepper. Drag the word pepper on top of it. Okay, drag the image around so you can modify it, turn it around. Drag it out some more. Then go to background remover and hit remove background. Okay guys, there you have it. And it looks pretty good to me. Okay guys, that's it. Go ahead and try out these techniques in your own personal projects. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Until the next video, thrive with Darlette.